Hi there, Gary here from Ariel, Australia. I'm here today to talk to you about one of our dehumidifiers called the AD740. This is an instructional video. Let's have a look. Okay, the AD740. So, let's have a look at our E-Dry control panel here and we'll turn him on. So it's been out on a job and it's been out for 123 hours, so you do have an hour counter on there. So what I can do, it's running continuous, I can actually set my humidity. So it's right now it's set on 16 and it's at 30% relative humidity right now. So the unit's kicking in, now it's at 31. So I can say, oh, well, I don't want the unit to get under 25, and I should actually preset that. Or I can take it back to 15 and have it run continuous. Also, I can run it on a night mode here. As you can hear the fan, I can run it on a night mode, which what it does, it runs on a night mode for 10 hours. And it actually cuts the fan noise down. High. Now we've gone back up. You hear that? Turning back on and off again. Cuts that fan speed down. That's on the night mode. That's on for 10 hours. Back onto high. I can change, this is all the E-Dry, right? So that's our room conditions right now. Axial fan. Onto our pump out unit here with our turn on purge button. Now those two little clips, I can actually take this pump out in under 10 seconds to clean it out. There's our washable filter. So check out our website arieldehumidifiers.com.au for further information.